Hello, good morning, girl. Okay, this is the part B of NTA mock test 83. Okay, in the previous part, we discussed up to 18th bit. Here the term, the smallest sustainable unit of biosphere. Okay, what is that? And that term was proposed by the functional unit of nature where living organisms interact among themselves and also with their physical environment is called an ecosystem. The term ecosystem actually here it is not correct one. The term ecosystem was proposed by A.G. Tonsley. Here ecosystem is the correct one. The term ecosystem was coined by A.G. Tonsley or Arthur Tonsley. The entire biosphere is regarded as a global ecosystem. The size of the ecosystem varies from small pond to large forest or sea. Okay, that is the 19th one. This is from ecology unit. Then another bit from breathing and exchange of gases. The total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of the forced inspiration. Okay, this bit telling us that you must know all the definitions of respiratory volumes and capacity. What is meant by tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, and next one residual volume. Okay, you must know all the capacities: functional residual capacity, next one vital capacity, total lung capacity, expiratory capacity, inspiratory capacity. You must have these. All definitions in your mind. The total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of force inspiration TLC. Okay, this includes IRV, inspiratory reserve volume, TV, ERV, and RV. And next one, select the set of medullary respiratory centers in the brain. Okay, Medulla oblongata has vomiting center. Medulla oblongata has cardiovascular center. Medulla oblongata has in first lesson you have vomiting center. In third lesson cardiovascular center. It also consists of centers related to respiration as well. Okay, this is from respiration lesson. Okay, select the set of medullary respiratory centers. That means the center, respiratory centers present in the medulla oblongata, which is a part of the brain stem. Can you tell me what are the parts of the brain stem? Very, very important bit. What are the, try to recall what are the parts of the brain stem? The parts of the brain stem are midbrain, medulla, okay, oblongata. Another one is the pons varoli. These three together called as brain stem. It is one part of the brain stem. Okay, chemosensitive area and respiratory rhythmic center are present in it. Okay, this is the part which is adjacent to the respiratory rhythmic center. Respiratory rhythmic center is present in medulla oblongata, pneumotoxic in pons varoli. Chemosensitive area is present in medulla oblongata, pneumotoxic center is in pons varoli. Pneumotoxic center is present in pons varoli. Vomiting center is present in medulla oblongata. Okay, right. Regulation of respiration. Neural system maintains respiratory rhythm of body according to the needs via following parts of the brain. Neural system or nervous system maintains okay respiratory rhythm of body according to the body needs, according to whether you are doing exercise, whether you are normal. Okay, depending on your nervous system maintains respiratory rhythm. One is medulla oblongata. It possesses respiratory rhythmic center. It primarily responsible for regulation of respiratory rhythm. Chemosensitivity. It is situated adjacent to the respiratory rhythmic center. It increases CO2 and H plus concentration. Stimulation when there is a increase in CO2 and H plus concentration, whenever there is an increase of these two in our blood, then what happens to, it is activated, chemosensitive area is activated, then it sends signals to respiratory rhythmic center, and this respiratory rhythmic center make the necessary changes in the respiratory process for the elimination of these substances, carbon dioxide and H plus concern ions. Another one, pons, it possesses pneumotoxic center that moderates the functions of respiratory rhythmic center. Very important. And stimulation of this center can alter the respiratory rate by reducing the duration of inspiration what is the normal breathing rate is 12 to 16 time. When you do exercise, the breathing rate increases. Okay, when your breathing rate increases, rate means per minute. For example, normal 12 to 16. If it becomes 20, that means your breathing time that is required for each breathing has reduced. That is, those signals are sent by pneumotoxic center to the respiratory rhythmic center for reducing the duration. The next one is from structural organization in animals. What is the number of chambers in the heart of the Periplaneta americana? Two chambers in fishes, four chambers in okay, crocodile, alligator, and aves, mammals. Okay, 13 chambers in cockroach. Cockroach has how many hearts? Only one heart, but chambers 13 chambers. The circulatory system of cockroach is open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed, open into hemocoel or open spaces. Hemocoel is divided into dorsal sinus, middle sinus, ventral sinus. The body fluid present in the hemocoel is also called as hemolymph. Blood is also called hemolymph. Blood is colorless as there no respiratory pigment. Respiratory pigment is hemoglobin not present. Blood does not perform the function of transporting gases because respiratory system is one of the main function of respiratory system is to transport gases. Here the blood cannot transport gases. That's why they have developed one efficient system for the transport of gases that is called tracheal system. Cockroach possess 13 chambered tubular muscular elongated neurogenic heart. Very important. I talked about that one in earlier part. Okay, myogenic heart and neurogenic heart we have in some molluscans like cephalopod molluscans and the remaining fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammals. They have myogenic heart. Here, this heart is neurogenic heart. If you cut the nerves that are supplied to the heart stops beating. Next, blood circulation in cockroach is maintained by wing-shaped alary muscles. Wing-shaped alary muscles, which are okay, involuntary. Very important point. Blood circulation in cockroach is maintained by wing-shaped or fan-shaped muscles, alary muscles. Okay, involuntary muscles. Remember that one. Okay, muscles first time skeletal muscles. Okay, developed for the first time in this phylum, Arthropoda phylum. The next one, according to Oparin Haldane, the primitive atmosphere on Earth was having the following mixture of gases. Okay, which gases are present? Very important bit. This one. Okay, you can remember it. This one as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. H2O. H2O. O means O pakkan one unnan meaning. H2. H2. NH3. CH4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1? H2O. What is 2? H2. What is 3? NH3. What is 4? CH4. Right. Next one, LCD. LSD. Lysergic acid. Lysergic acid diethylamide is a hallucinogenic substance isolated from the ergot caused by fungi. Okay, Claviceps purpurea in plant. This is out of textbook where LSD is given, but okay, this is Claviceps purpurea is not. Then you have in the beginning of this drugs topic. Most of the drugs are obtained from flowering plants. Some drugs are obtained from fungi. Okay, here one example here, Claviceps purpurea. Okay, it produces that Claviceps is an Ascomycetes fungi. Okay, you have different types of fungi. Basidiomycetes. It is Ascomycetes fungi that cause ergot disease in plants. Okay, earlier you learned Gibberella fusicori. Gibberella fusicori causes Gibberella fusicori. Gibberellins are obtained from Gibberella fusicori, a fungi which grows on plants, rice plants, I think, and which causes the elongation. Like that, from here, it is also separate from the fungus. LSD, lysergic acid diethyl amide. is a hallucinogenic substance. You learned some other hallucinogenic substances like Atropa belladonna plant has next Datura stramonium has those properties, and a high intake of cocaine also causes hallucinations. The chief advantage of encystment of an amoeba is the ability to live for some time without ingesting food, the ability to survive during adverse physical conditions. Okay, during adverse environmental conditions, amoeba undergoes cellular and molecular changes. What are they? Such as change in cell structure, shape, water levels, and creates a cyst membrane for the purpose of protection. When the environment is conducive again, okay, favorable again for survival, the protective envelope ruptures. Okay, right. We completed up to 30.